Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, we're gonna see the Bootstrap 5 Alpha. I'm not going to teach any structural or any codings on Bootstrap 5 Alpha. Just we're gonna we're gonna discuss about Bootstrap 5 Alpha's latest blog. So let's get started. This is our Bootstrap 5 Alpha's latest blog. In this blog, they just showing this Bootstrap 5, alright. Then they just change their whole website new look and feel and change their logo. They are showing us. Then the most important thing that they have dropped jQuery and JavaScript over from Bootstrap 5. This is only huge change and necessary change. It is so efficient change for developers, those who are developing their application. If you guys develop applications for Bootstrap 4, you could notice for a model, for a tooltip, for some other tools, we will use jQuery, JavaScript to trigger those functions. Now they just drop jQuery and JavaScript as well as the Internet Explorer support. So we no longer use Bootstrap 5 in Internet Explorer, and we can use the Bootstrap 5 attributes and models itself to trigger them accordingly. So the next one is CSS Custom Properties. CSS Custom Properties is also a huge change. Previously, if you want to add CSS in a runtime, or if you want to extract the CSS from CSS, you will use a JavaScript. Now they are providing CSS customs over the CSS. Now if you want to use a CSS components, you can directly take that from a CSS. From a CSS, you could use that in your code without using a JavaScript and jQuery. This is a really huge change. Then improved customization docs. Previously, Bootstrap 4 docs was quite quite clumsy and not improvised well. But as I read the Bootstrap 5 customization doc, it is really well. Since it is an alpha that they are developing it, but it is pretty much good than a Bootstrap 4, and they just added the color palette as well. Now if you want any colors to add in your application, you don't need to go for another color palette. You can directly come here and choose your colors for your applications. Next, update a form. This is a minor change. Previously, when there is a form, we will have the unwanted rows, columns, and form groups, form line like that. Now they just reduce all our burdens. Now, if you want to use forms, what is necessary component, you can put that inside underneath the layout component. So it is really good. And they just transform the checkbox, radio button, switch boxes from the browser defaults. We can customization as well. Then utilities API. Utilities API I normally use utilities API for margins, paddings, and positions. Now you could use the utilities API for nested as nested utilities API, like you or what you are saying for a width. They are mentioning property and values. For these values, from by calling these utilities, you could use these all values and stuff, providing each and every style properties separately. As we are seeing, Bootstrap enhanced grid system. Now they just implemented extra large grid format, which is really good. When we are started to go a wider screens, everybody is would like to go on a wider screens. That's why they changed the extra large. They introduced it, and the real big change on grid system when we migrate Bootstrap 3 to Bootstrap 4, that's really a nightmare for everyone. I just personally expertise in that. So that is entirely changed. The grid system, they just entirely changed from 3 to 4, but not that the case. They just concern the developers for perspective, and they are not changed any major changes in Bootstrap 4 to 5. If you want to migrate, you could use the same columns, the same rows with a minor changes. Now they just used a gutter for margin and padding, and all of the minor changes. And in a beta version, we can expect them to release a right-click alignment on off canvas like that. Right-click alignment, when we go for a language support from one language to another language, if you simultaneously keep on changing your website, if the website, for example, if the website in both English and Arabic, will be in left side, will be in another side, so you could use this property to maintain your both alignment together. That's all about this alpha document. If you want to try it out, you could go here, npm start a project. They just given a startup project here. If you want it, you could download it via npm and work on it. That's all about guide for this video. I hope you enjoy this. If you like this video, like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe and press a bell icon to get my latest video updates. I'll see you on next video. So thanks a lot. Happy programming.